Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more insightful content. All the links mentioned in this review, along with other helpful resources, are available in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using Fundrise. Fundrise, a prominent real estate investment app specializing in REITs, real estate investment trusts, offers a user-friendly pathway to diversify your investment portfolio with real estate holdings. Whether you're just starting out or are a seasoned investor, Fundrise presents a cost-effective and accessible method for tapping into institutional quality real estate opportunities. One of Fundrise's most compelling features is its innovative REIT model. This model pools investments from multiple individuals to acquire a diverse range of properties, spanning residential, commercial, and industrial sectors. By investing in REITs, you gain exposure to a broad spectrum of real estate assets without the burdens of direct property ownership or management responsibilities. This makes Fundrise particularly attractive for those seeking passive income streams and long-term capital appreciation. With a minimal initial investment of just $10, Fundrise opens doors to virtually anyone interested in embarking on their real estate investment journey. The platform offers a tiered structure: starter, basic, core, advanced, and premium, catering to various investment objectives and financial capacities. This allows users to progressively increase their involvement as their portfolio expands and their confidence grows. Fundrise prioritizes transparency, providing comprehensive reporting and valuable insights into your portfolio's performance via an intuitive dashboard. You can easily monitor your earnings, dividends, and stay updated on property-specific developments. Regular quarterly updates and comprehensive annual reports keep you well informed about your investment's progress and how your funds are being utilized. Fundrise's goal-oriented investment approach is another significant advantage. Whether your primary focus is on consistent income growth, capital appreciation, or a balanced approach, Fundrise dynamically adjusts your portfolio to align with your specific financial goals, striving to optimize returns based on your stated objectives. While Fundrise presents numerous advantages, it's crucial to acknowledge that real estate investment inherently involves a long-term perspective and a degree of illiquidity. While Fundrise does offer a quarterly redemption option, liquidity is not guaranteed. Furthermore, as with any investment, returns are influenced by market fluctuations and prevailing economic conditions. In summary, Fundrise stands out as an excellent platform for investors seeking diversification through real estate, passive income generation, and access to institutional-grade properties without significant financial barriers. Its innovative REIT model, low minimum investment requirement, and user-friendly interface make it a compelling choice within the real estate crowdfunding landscape. Explore the links in the description below to learn more about Fundrise and determine if it aligns with your investment strategy. This review aims to provide you with the necessary information to decide whether Fundrise is the right platform to enhance your investment portfolio.